Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to schedule a meeting in your Google Meet calendar. If you go to the top right hand grid and scroll down to where it says Google Calendar, click on the meeting within your calendar. If you click on Join with Google Meet, it will open a new window. And here you'll have options to change your background, because not everyone wants to show the mess in their homes. Here you'll see there's lots of different options. Some are static images and some are videos. Let's have a look at some of these options here. You can scroll down and play around with whichever background suits you the best. You also have the option to upload your own personalised background. If you prefer to keep it professional, you can just blur your background instead of having any image. When you're ready, you can select the background that suits you. You can also mute your microphone, as well as turn off your camera. Once you're ready, click Join Now. Once you're in your meeting, you'll see that there are some icons at the bottom which you can toggle. You can also see a list of all the people who are in the meeting, as well as chat with everybody who's in the meeting. Once your meeting is finished, you can click on the red telephone icon to end the call. You have the option to end the call just for yourself or for everybody. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you have, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.